How to get the dark mode on PowerPoint mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page. Click on a presentation right here. Now after you click on a presentation, go to the top corner, click on those three dots and scroll down right here. Click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Scroll down and click on the theme option right here. Click on it and choose dark from here and click got it, and your app will be restarted and you will have the dark mode. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.